MaxKare foot-based massager features functions of heating, bubble, vibration, and temp control. Before using, the bath must be filled with water whose temp less than 118 Fahrenheit. Please ensure water volume between mini and max level. Press switch the bath start working, and press temp control to adjust to the temperature you like. 500 rated power promises that the temp can be adjusted to a set one quickly. Remember, turn on bubble to accelerate water heating up. With recycling design, the panel displays your current temp first, and then it shoots gradually to your desired one after adjustment. There are 16 detachable massage wheels and a put box. Make sure you enjoy foot spa and relaxed.